Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about how we can find out the backlinks which are there on our website. So for this, we can make use of the Semrush tool, which can easily give us that information. So once you log into your Semrush website, you can put in your website URL and you can find the backlinks on the website. So if it's a new website, then there are chances that you will not get too many backlinks on them. But if it's an old website which has been running for a year, then the tool will show us the number of backlinks it has got. So let's have a look at this, guys. So let's say I'm looking at yogamatters.com. So this will now give us information about the number of backlinks it has got. So you can see here now just under backlinks, it shows 125.2K backlinks are there on this website and the referring domains are 6.5K. So let's have a look at this. So you will be able to see all the backlinks which have been created out here. You can see and which anchor text is being used over here as well. That is also clearly visible out here. So now in this also, what the tool also tells us is which are the do follow links and which are the no follow links, which you can also find out here. So currently, if you see, there are approximately 125, 197 backlinks, which we can see. But here, if you want, you can just look at the follow links. So it will filter the number. And now we are looking at only the follow links which are available out here. Okay, that is one thing which we can do. So now if you want to go ahead and make use of and look at the website, so for example, gossipian.co.uk, okay, that is having a follow link out here. And this is where it goes to. So on yogamatters.com/pages/gossipian, we can have this particular backlink coming from. In the same manner, we can also see the other ones as well, where we can see other like dailymail.co.uk. That is a backlink which is coming on Yoga Matters as well, which we can find out here. So in this way, in a very easy manner, we can find out how many backlinks a website contains and which particular referral websites it is coming from, okay, and what is the anchor text used on them. All that information we can get from this tool.